Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a GYG burrito bowl. First, select your base, such as fluffy white or brown rice. Next, choose your protein. Options like grilled chicken, slow-cooked beef, or seasoned vegetables work perfectly. Then, decide on your beans, whether black or pinto, and consider adding a vibrant salsa for a burst of flavor. Finally, prepare your favorite toppings to personalize your delicious creation. To begin, cook your rice until it's light and fluffy, providing the perfect foundation for your bowl. Next, prepare your protein. Whether it's sizzling chicken, tender beef, or hearty plant-based options, ensure it's cooked to perfection and seasoned generously. Don't forget to warm your beans and chop your fresh vegetables, like crisp lettuce and juicy tomatoes, for added texture and flavor. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start by spooning a generous portion of your cooked rice into the bowl. Then, add your protein and beans, creating a delicious core. Next, pile on your favorite toppings: a dollop of fresh guacamole, a spoonful of zesty salsa, and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Feel free to add sour cream or a squeeze of lime for extra zing. The beauty of a GYG burrito bowl is its endless customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different salsas, like a smoky chipotle or a vibrant corn salsa, to discover new flavor profiles. Add some crunchy tortilla strips or a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. Remember, this is your creation, so make it exactly how you love it. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.